Hello, my friends. Jeff, Tax Rescue CPA. Are you tired of filing your tax returns without any excitement? You want to add a little thrill to your financial life? Well, good news. The IRS is always looking for lucky winners to audit. And with a few simple tricks, you can increase your chances of getting that special invitation. Follow these foolproof steps, and before you know it, you'll have a front row seat to an IRS deep dive into your financial life. Here we go. Step 1. Ignore tax laws. Make up your own rules. The tax code is thousands of pages long. Boring. Instead of following all those laws and regulations, just wing it. Round every number. Make generous guesses and put those on the return. Treat tax deductions like a buffet. Take as much as you want. IRS agents, they love a good hunt, and they'll be thrilled to investigate your creative accounting. Step 2, get creative with income. Matching IRS records, that's highly overrated. Why should you report income that matches what the IRS has on record for you? Report whatever number feels right. Right, did you earn $50,000? Throw $20,000 on instead if that's what makes you feel right. The IRS enjoys a good mystery, and the best way to get their attention, the number one way, is to report income different than what they have. Step 3, deduct everything, even your Netflix subscription. Tax deductions exist for a reason, so why not deduct everything? Right? That 75-inch TV? Oh yeah, that's for business presentations. Your weekly steak dinners? That's part of networking. And if you really want to fast track your audit, forget about receipts and documentations. The IRS will process your audit much quicker without them. Step 4, don't report cash. What's the worst that could happen? Cash transactions, they're invisible, right? If you get paid under the table, just keep that little detail to yourself. After all, if the IRS doesn't see it, it doesn't count it. Well, except of course when they do see it and they hit you with penalties, interest, and possibly fraud charges. Step 5, don't file regularly. Tax deadlines they're mere suggestions. Filing your taxes is highly overrated. To increase your audit chances, file every now and then. And for bonus points, don't file until after the IRS starts sending you those little reminder notices. Step 6, ignore crypto transactions because the IRS totally won't notice. Crypto, it's like magic internet money. So it doesn't count as real income, right? Wrong. The IRS is cracking down on crypto tax evasion. Be aware. If you forget to report these transactions, these crypto gains, they'll be more than happy to remind you with penalties and interest added on. Step 7, report a loss every year for your Schedule C business. If your business loses money every single year, the IRS will definitely not notice. Who cares that most businesses need to show a profit at some point? Keep reporting losses, and the IRS won't start wondering if your business is really just an expensive hobby. Step 8, claim 100% business use of your automobile because personal trips don't exist. Nobody ever uses their car for personal trips, right? So why not write off 100% of your auto as a business expense? Just don't be surprised when the IRS asks you why your work vehicle shows up in your Disneyland vacation photos on social media. Oh, we're getting to it. Step 9, exaggerate your home office. The bigger, the better. Now, home offices are tax deductible, but why stop at just one room? Deduct your entire house, maybe even your backyard, because clearly that's brainstorming space. The IRS loves it when taxpayers get imaginative with home office deductions. All right, last one's the best. Step 10 is take big deductions for meals and travel. Every meal is a business meeting. That 5-course meal at a steakhouse, yeah, that's a team building event, even if it was just you. A week trip in Vegas for that one-day conference, yeah, deduct the whole thing. The daily Starbucks run, where you buy a $6 latte and drink it in your car, definitely a client meeting, even if the only conversation you had was with the drive-through speaker. Take huge deductions for meal and travel, and don't bother with documentation, because again, the IRS will be more than happy to process your audit without any paperwork. Now, for a bonus item, use shady tax preparers, preferably one who works out of their car. Why go with a reputable CPA when you can use someone who promises huge refunds with zero paperwork? The IRS loves to track down these fraudulent tax preparers and then audit every single one of their clients in the process. Well, there you have it. Here's your final thoughts for enjoying your audit. By following these simple steps, you can almost guarantee an IRS audit. But if for some strange reason you don't want an audit, here's what you should do. Keep accurate records, file an honest return, and hire a tax professional who doesn't offer to fix your taxes in exchange for a cut of your refund. Now, go file your taxes. Who's doing your taxes?